Hello students, welcome to Vinuta's math channel. This is the continuation of class 9th video of probability distribution. The video had abruptly stopped while solving the problem. In the last video, we were solving the problem 7 and we found the value of k. We found it using two methods, that is by factorization and by using the scientific calculator also. Okay, by both the methods we got the same answer. This is a traditional method. We were following it in our 8th, 9th and 10th standard, even in PUC also. By using the scientific calculator you can avoid all these steps and you need not to find the factors for this number, okay, the product of these two number. We gave the equation in the form and we got the results. Okay, we got the value of k as 0.1. Here we have taken it as x1 and x2. In the calc it showed as x1 and x2. It is nothing but the values. X can take two values here, but in our equation, the equation it is in the form of k square. So the values what we have got in calc it is nothing but k1 and k2. We considered positive. Why? Because it is because of the characteristics of the probability function. Okay, p of x must be greater than or equal to 0. That's why we considered k as 0.1 or 1 by 10. Okay. Next, I have already written a table by substituting the value of k. This was the question. X and p of x were given. For x is equal to 0, p of x was 0. For x is equal to 1, p of x was k, like that, right? So by substituting the value of k is equal to 1 by 10, I have completed this table. X 0, p of x is 0. When x is 1, p of x value is k. What is the k value? K value is 1 by 10. Fine. So I have substituted here. Next, for x is equal to 2, the p of x is 2k. So here I have solved it. When x is equal to 2, p of x is 2k, which is equal to 2 into k value is 1 by 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are simple mathematics. Okay, to simplify it, that is 1 by 5. Next, 3. When x is equal to 3, the value is 2k. Again same. Solve for all the values, and here I have solved it for x is equal to 7. The equation for x is equal to 7, the value of p of x will be equal to 7k square plus k. Okay, 7k square plus k. Here I have taken x is equal to 7, p of x is 7k square plus 7. So 7 into, substitute the value of k, 1 by 10 whole square plus 1 by 10. K value is 1 by 10. 7 into 1 by 100. Why? Because 1 square is 1, 10 square is 100 plus 1 by 10. Take LCM and simplify. You will get it as 17 by 100. Even you can solve this by using a calculator also. Okay, let me show you. Here 7 into 1 by 10 whole square. 7, open the bracket, 1 divided by 10, close it, whole square. Here there is a square. Okay, square. Here this value. So square. Next it is plus, open the bracket and close the bracket. Whenever you are entering the values in a division form, that is numerator divided by denominator, always put brackets. Okay, that will be equal to 0.17. We got the answer in decimal. If we want to convert it into a fractional value, see here, press shift, then here you can find A B by C. Okay, A B by C, this button, third button. Okay, if you press, you'll get it as 17. This is the format. This is the numerator, this value is denominator. That is nothing but 17 divided by 10. Let me show you one more time. Answer, we got it as 0.17. Press shift, then A B by C. We are converting the value, decimal value, whatever we have got, that into a decimal value, okay, sorry, fractional value. Okay, so 17 by 10. If the answer, if it is in a mixed form, mixed fraction, then we will get first whole number. Okay, here whole number, then the numerator, then denominator. For example, if it is 9 by 2, okay, that if for the mixed fraction, we will get like this. The format is A symbol, B that symbol, and C. For this we will get it as 4 1 2. Okay, let me show you. 9 divided by 2, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, right? 9 by 2 is 4.5. So if we convert it into fraction, see, 4 1 2, 4 1 2. First number will be whole number, next numerator and denominator. Next, B part, second part, is to evaluate P of x less than 6, P of x greater than or equal to 6, and P of x which lies between 3 and 6, where 3 is excluded and 6 is included. Okay, let us solve that. We want this table. Okay, so let me retain this table and start solving. The first, under the second sub question, the first question need to be solved is P of x less than 6. P of x less than 6, x is here. Okay, 6 is not included. We have to include all these values. So which is equal to P of x less than 6 is equal to P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2, P of 3, P of 4, P of 5. We need not to write P of 6 here. Why? Less than 6. Less than 6 means from 0 to 5. If it was less than or equal to 6, then we have to consider 6 also. So P of 0 is 0 plus P of 1 is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. P of 3 is 1 by 5. P of 4 is 3 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 50 plus 17 by 100. Okay. Enter all the details in the calci. 0 plus 1 by 10. Open the bracket. 1 divided by 10. Close it. Plus 1 divided by 5. Close it. Plus 1 divided by 5 plus till here we have done. Next 3 by 10. Open the bracket. 3 divided by 10. Close it. Then plus 1 by 100. 1 divided by 100. Each and every time you have to put the brackets when you are doing the addition of the divisions. 1 by 100 done. Plus 1 divided by 50 plus 17 divided by 100. Okay. What is the answer? Here we got the answer as 1, but it is not equal to 1. Why we are getting the value of 1 means, see here, I have considered all the values from 0 to 7. I have considered, right, from 0 to 7. X value is 7. The addition of all these values, it will always be equal to 1, right? We verified it. That is P of X summation from X is equal to 0 to 7. We verified that. This, sorry for this, we have to add only from 0 to 1 by 100. Okay, only we have to consider this for P of X less than 6. P of X less than 6. Let me do one more time. 0 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Okay, since I have already entered almost all the details, I'll delete it. I delete the few. Okay. 1 by 100 till 1 by 100 we are having. Fine, I'll click the enter. It is 0.81, which is equal to 0.81. This is the beauty of scientific calculator. Even though you have entered the wrong details, or you have entered the extra, or you have left out something, you can enter in between. Fine, so the value of P of X less than 6, the value is 0.81. Next, P of X greater than or equal to 6. Greater than or equal to 6 means, what are the values we have to consider? Greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to means 6 will come and then 7. P of 6 plus P of 7. Here we can add these two values. Let me show you two methods to solve this. 1 by 50 plus 17 by 100. Okay, this results will also give the same answer. Otherwise, even we can subtract P of X less than 6 from the value 1. Why? Because the addition of all these value will be equal to 1. We got here, right? The addition of all these value, we got it as 1. They are asking us to find the addition of these two values. In the last problem, that is P of X less than 6, we have computed this value. We have added, we found this value, it as 0.81. So in this whole value, that is the value as 1, from 1 if we subtract this, we will get this answer, correct? So which is equal to 1 minus 0.81 will be equal to 0.19. Let me show you this. Here 0.81 is there. This is the result of P of X less than 6, right? So let me subtract it. Here it is a short way. This value, whatever you have got, that will be stored in the scientific calci in a location called answer. So I'll write it as 1 minus this value is 0.81. We have already computed here. So this will be stored in answer. So click on answer equals, okay, 0.19. Fine. This is one method, and I'll show you this also. That is 1 divided by 50 plus 17 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.19. Fine, by both methods we got the same answer. Next, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate P of X value where it lies between 3 and 6. 3 is excluded and 6 is included. So it is equal to, from 3 to 6, 3 we have to exclude, 6 we have to include. So 4, 5, 6, which is equal to P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6, which is equal to P of 4 is 3 by 10, P of 5 is 1 by 100, P of 6 is 1 by 50, which is equal to 33 divided by 100. It is equal to 0.33. I have already calculated, so I am writing it directly. You can verify it using your calc. Fine. And the next part of the question was also find the probability distribution and the distribution function of x. Okay, this question had totally 4 sub questions. The first question was, I am talking about the 7th question. They had given the random variable x, as to find the value of k, we found out. And the second sub question had 3 again subdivisions. Okay, we found this also. That was the second sub question. In the third sub question, also find the probability distribution and the distribution function of x. The 2 sub questions as already solved. Now we have to solve the third sub question, that is the probability distribution. We have already made a table for this. Okay, see here, this is nothing but the probability distribution table. For value of x 0, what is the value of p of x? For x is equal to 1, what is the value of p of x? This is called as the probability distribution. So the probability distribution, let us start writing it. X is equal to 0, the value of p of x is 0. We have to rewrite it one more time, that's it. X is equal to 1, 1 by 10. 1 by 10, let me convert it into the fractional value. 1 divided by 10, that is equal to 0.1. You can check in calc and write. I will write directly. 1 by 5 is 0.2. 1 by 5 0.2, 3 by 10 is 0.3, it is 0.01, 1 by 100, 1 by 50 is 0.02, 17 by 100 is 0.17. Fine. Why I wrote this in decimal form is they are asking us to find or write the distribution function of x also. The probability distribution, it is represented by p of x. The distribution function, it is represented by f of x. Okay, here we have to add the cumulative values. The distribution function, the other name for this is the cumulative distribution function, that is CDF. Fine, CDF, cumulative distribution function. For x is equal to 0, the value is 0. Write it since it is the first stage. For x is equal to 1, what is the cumulative distribution function or the distribution function? It is nothing but we have to add all the values of p of x till here. Till here, what are the values we are having? 0 and 0.1. So you add 0 and 0.1, that is 0 plus 0.1 will be equal to 0.1. Okay, to add the fractional values it will be difficult, so I converted it into a decimal value. Next, distribution function or the cumulative distribution function, that CDF for x is equal to 2 is we have to add all the values of p of x from starting, that is x is equal to 0 till x is equal to 2. We have to add all these things. In the first block we have already added these two things and have written here. So what I'll do now, I'll add this and this. Okay, why this and this? Because the addition of these two I have already taken here, so I am adding these two, that is this and 0 0.2, 0 0.1 plus 0 0.2, 0 0.1 plus 0 0.2, it is equal to 0 0.3. Next, the CDF of x is equal to 3 will be, we have to add all these values p of x from starting to till the x value is 3. Till here I have to add, so the addition of all these 3 is already here, that is 0 0.3 is here, plus at x is equal to 3 it is 0 0.2, 0 0.2 plus 0 0.3 is 0 0.5. You do the same, so 0 0.5 plus 0 0.3 will be equal to 0 0.8. Next, 0 0.8 plus 0 0.01 will be equal to 0 0.81. 0 0.81 plus 0 0.02 will be equal to 0 0.83. 0 0.83 plus 0 0.17 will be equal to 1. Okay, the addition of the probability distribution will always be equal to 1. We have added all these probability distribution functions. At the last stage we have got the 1. So what the problem we have solved is correct. Fine. So here by this we completed the 7th problem of the probability distribution. Hope you got how to solve this problem. If you like this video, please like it and share with your friends. Comment your opinion in the comment box. Share with as many as friends. Okay, you can join the Telegram group. I have given the link in the description box. If you have any doubts, your doubts will be get clarified very soon. So join to the Telegram group also. Keep watching us, keep supporting us. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.